Hi guys, I am Grace, the founder of Gracetoon Studio. I always hear artists argue whether we should use reference when we create art. Well, my answer is yes. When I and my art partner work on our manga project, we always use reference. Today I'm going to show you an example. Hello guys, this is the final result of our latest manga illustration. I'm going to show you how we created this artwork. First, we actually start from a reference picture. This reference picture, we take the perspective. It's also about many people marching in a line. Then I figure this is a place where our hero Vita should be, and behind her is a slave that was beaten, and the slave trader beaten him, and all the background people are also slaves marching with their hand tied together by a rope. Here's some notes. Now we started to draw. Let's reduce the transparency. The first step is 3D modeling. Some people can draw just freehand. We have to use the 3D modeling system in the manga studio. So I made this model. I used from their own material library and I modified it. Then I draw on top. I draw the girl. I choose this picture and I try to use this as reference with slightly modification. I draw on top and slave trader beating the guy. So I also have a reference for that. This is actually from an ancient wall painting from some historical site. This is a story set in ancient Rome. So we try to do things with as much as historic accuracy as I can. So I found this wall painting and I try to mimic the dressing style. And I drew the carriage. Yeah, because I modified the model slightly. Now it's Bible reading time. This is a verse I read today. Listen, dear friends, isn't it clear by now that God operates quite differently? He chose the words down and out as the kingdom's first citizens, with full rights and privileges. The kingdom is promised to anyone who loves God. James 2:5, the Message version.